Hiya too. I hope you're okay. So we had a go last week at describing your own superhero that you'd come up with, okay? So I want to carry on using our descriptions and adjectives now to describe some other superheroes. So in your pack, your work pack, you have a sheet that's got hero words on it, and there are some different words on there that you might want to help you with this. And you've also got the words in your where you came up with your own superhero name. There are some words in there to describe the different superhero names there. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to have a look at this picture and we're going to decide who it is. Okay, talk to the person next to you about who you think this is. Okay, I think we've all got a good idea. So this is Spider-Man. Okay, so what your job today is going to be to write about what you can see in this picture in as much detail as you can. Okay, so you might just feel comfortable writing this is I need a capital letter because it's his name, Spider-Man. Okay, full stop. Okay, you might then want to go on with another sentence and start talking about what he is. So you might say, he is, I'm going to find one of the words on these hero words. Oh, there's the word brave. Okay, so I might write, he is a, it's got the split A digraph, doesn't it? He is brave. Oh, and do you know what I might do here? So I've wrote, he is brave. I might then write a subordinating conjunction. What subordinating conjunction do you think that I might use now? It's to describe why he is brave. What one might I use there? Have a think about it and talk to the person next to you. If you're at home, have a talk to your grown up, or if you're in the classroom, talk to that person. He is brave. That's right, because I'm giving a reason why he is brave. This is Spider-Man. He is brave because. Why is he brave? What makes Spider-Man brave? He is brave because he is brave because he isn't afraid. He is brave because he helps save people. He is brave because I just had to pause it then, everybody, and go tell Mr. Cockram to be quiet because he's on the phone to somebody from work, but his voice is very, very loud. So where was I? This is Spider-Man, full stop. He is brave because he saves people. He is brave because he saves people. We could maybe write what he looks like, couldn't we? We could maybe write Spy. Oh, I'm not going to write anymore. Spider-Man. What does he look like? Yeah, he's got a blue and red outfit, doesn't he? He's got holes. Well, it looks like holes in his mask, but I think they're just white, aren't they? He makes spider webs. He's got a red mask on. His logo is a spider, isn't it? And he makes webs, but does anybody know how he gets the webs to come out? I think he presses a button on his hand and then the webs shoot out. But you could write about that. You're describing this superhero. And the idea is that the skills I want you to use are using sentences but putting a full stop at the end of your sentence. When I was doing some work with some children the other day, they were just putting a full stop at the end of the line. But that's not where we need a full stop. Remember that the full stop goes where the sentence ends, where you've finished making the point you are making. So this is Spider-Man. And I'm taking a breath, and I'm taking quite a long pause, aren't I? So I need a full stop. He, so the word he needs a capital letter because it's the start of my next sentence. Okay? He is brave because he saves people. You could come up with your own sentence there. You might start your sentence by saying, this is Spider-Man. He is blue and red. And his superpower is he can make webs come out of his hands. You can come up with whatever sentence you want, and I would like you to draw your own picture of Spider-Man as well. So you don't have this sheet in your work pack because I want you to draw your own. I just want you to have this to look at, but you can draw your own superhero. But this is all about how we are writing sentences, okay? Making sure we're using full stops, capital letters, finger spaces, and reading to check that it makes sense afterwards, okay? That is some fantastic work. So this is what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days, is just describing different superheroes and then sharing that with Mrs. Cochrane, either on WeDoc or send it back in your work pack. And then, yeah, just want us to really practice writing sentences, okay? That's all we need to do. I was going to be getting us to do that other superhero story where we changed a character, but I thought it might be a bit too difficult. So I just thought we'd stop, we'd do this for a bit, and then we could, as an extra challenge, write your own superhero story. But yeah, we'll have a go at this first, okay? Right, have a lovely day, everybody. I've stopped that there because I want you to carry on with that. I've shared 2 sentences with you, and I want you to do some more. I was going to do it on my whiteboard, but you can't see it very well on the screen. The light shines on it a little bit funny, so you can't see it. So unfortunately, I've got to do it on the computer, which isn't as clear. No, it is clear, but I do like to share my own handwriting because I think it's good to not just see it on a screen like this. But we've just got to do what we've got to do, don't we? Year 2. But have a lovely day with the rest of your learning, and I hope you enjoy describing the superhero that you can see there, Spider-Man. Okay, have a lovely day, everybody. Goodbye. See you later.